Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. DAZN says, no, Canelo, we will not pay for you to fight a sparring partner. Now, Callum Smith, I said yesterday that they would approve of him, but if they do approve of the fight, they're only going to pay Canelo half of the money that he's owed per fight. It's basically DAZN versus Canelo. Canelo doesn't want to fight Triple G. DAZN wants him to fight Triple G. He wants another belt, but they don't want to pay for it. So, I mean, come on. Canelo Alvarez is the biggest draw in boxing. We know this hands down. He's not. I don't think he's afraid of anybody. He's not. When he fought Danny Jacobs, they were saying Danny Jacobs is too big. But I mean, for all intents and purposes, he easily beat Danny Jacobs, the bigger man. Sergey Kovalev beat him as well. I mean, look at Canelo, 53-1. The only loss is to Floyd Money Mayweather. And I mean, no one's even paying any attention to that. After that, Angulo, Lara, Kirkland, Cotto, Khan, Smith, Chavez Jr., Gennadievich Golovkin 2 times, Rocky Fielding thrown in there, then Danny Jacobs and Sergey Kovalev. You won the WBO light heavyweight title and then you vacated it. And so you just want to do what you want to do. You don't want to have to answer to anybody right now. You just want to do your thing. But DAZN says, if you're going to get these millions and millions of dollars from us, you're going to fight who we want and when we want you to fight them. So now Canelo has issues with DAZN, with Golden Boy. Right now, Canelo cannot afford to take too much time off, but he is the biggest draw in boxing. And with the current pandemic situation, DAZN is scrambling of ways to make money anyway. So to think that you're going to get your full amount in this climate, especially when the person you're fighting is someone that they don't approve, it's going to be a tough sell. So it'll be interesting to see if the fight with Yildirim goes through or Callum Smith. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think Canelo Alvarez should be able to pick whoever he wants and get 35 plus million a fight? Or do you think that Canelo's going to have to compromise and find a common ground with DAZN? Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.